Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go. Well, I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, cause I'll go where you go.
All right, so we ordered
Howdy.
we ordered takeout from Cheryl's Kitchen potato boats in Fairplay, South Carolina.
Yep.
It's literally only about a mile away from the campground.
Campground.
Here.
We're not in a fair here.
The Thousand Trails Carolina Landing. It's been a long day. All right, so. And one thing that you noted when you went to pick it up is completely made to order. All right. So this is we got our respective potato boats, and we each got a salad.
Those are salads.
Those are side salads.
Yeah.
They look amazing.
I know which one that is.
That has broccoli on it, so that would be yours.
No,
Cheesy
that's
chicken
yours.
and broccoli.
That's yours.
No, I'm
Because the
sorry.
cheesy chicken and broccoli would probably be that one.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right. So that is the cheesy chicken and broccoli. Yep, and I got the Philly.
They're still warm.
Well, they better be. They fixed them while you were there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So that's the cheesy chicken and broccoli.
These are definitely boats.
Yeah, they're huge. And that is the Philly cheesesteak.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we will give you our reviews after we've eaten. But we wanted to show you how they came, how they were packed.
Mm-hmm.
They were a little short-handed. So just like most restaurants in the country, they're short-handed. They're short-staffed. So, and he said that they were starting to get busy when he went to go pick them up. So. All right, so we will give these a try, and we'll give you the rest of the review after we've eaten.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Good morning. Even though it's cold, wet, and rainy.
It's cool, wet, and rainy.
Cool, wet, and rainy.
Don't get the Northerners mad at us.
No.
All right, so we wanted to finish our review for Cheryl's Kitchen potato boats. And I have to say, my potato was really good. It was cooked very well. I was a little disappointed as to the proportion of toppings. It was supposed to be Philly cheesesteak. It was more cheese than steak, for sure. Very little onions, very little peppers. It was mostly cheese and potato. But it was cooked very well. It was very tasty. It was not loaded down in salt.
No, it wasn't. Definitely not. The one I had, chicken and broccoli and cheese in that. It was really good. It's definitely a 2-meal.
Oh yeah,
type of meal.
at least.
The potatoes are huge.
Yes.
They are literally dinner plate potatoes.
They are huge.
So.
That being said, I have to say, all right, so the potato, I give the potato a 7. Just because of the proportions. I have to say, though, the salad was a solid 9.5. It was incredibly fresh, delicious. The proportions were amazing. It was really good.
Mm-hmm.
So
I haven't done the salad yet. Mine's still sitting in the fridge.
So, but yeah. Overall, I'd have to give them
about a 7.5.
Yeah.
I would say.
Yeah, as a restaurant, I'd
A
have
good
to give them a
7.5.
7.5. Yeah. Everything's fresh.
Mm-hmm.
There's no doubt about it. Everything's fresh. But
and you get what you pay for.
you do. I mean, you get a lot of food for the money.
Mm-hmm.
Our meal consisted of 2 huge potato boats, 2 very good size side salad. I wouldn't even call those side salads. They're almost dinner salads.
Yeah, they are dinner salads.
And we paid $42. I think $42. 46. It was about $42.
56.
No, it wasn't.
It was about $54, $56.
Was it?
Yes.
All right. So I just checked, and I was right.
You were right.
It was, well, kind of. I was right. It was $46.
Yeah.
So, all right. So that does it for Cheryl's Kitchen.
And Potato Boat.
Well, Cheryl's Kitchen Potato Boat in Fairplay, South Carolina.
It's very small, very quaint. There's only 2 people there. I mean, it is definitely made to order. So.
And like we touched on last night, they had even posted on their Facebook that they were very short-handed. So I think they did a very good job considering that they were working short-staffed.
Yeah, it's in the Amico truck stop. And you also got TV to watch when you're waiting.
All right, so that does it for Cheryl's Kitchen Potato Boats.
Potato Boat.
See you guys later. Make sure to catch our Sunday night episodes at 7 p.m. Eastern for the live premiere. If you don't catch the live premieres, you can always watch the replays anytime.
Yep.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Subscribe, like,
and hit the notification bell.
Bell.
Yeah.
SLB. Sorry.
All right, everybody. Love ya.
Love you.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go easy.